One of the most iconic parts of a Tesla, something that they're known for that makes them stand out from every other car, is that all glass roof. That thing is amazing. It has a great view. It provides a cool experience when you're driving the car, but every once in a while that sun, especially in a place like Hawaii, is just hammering down through there and just making the car an oven. What if I told you there was a way to have all the glass and be able to close it up when you want to? Well, spoiler alert, there is. It's a retractable sunshade, and I'll tell you what, I brought it in. It's fully electric, it looks fully OEM, it's great quality, and it was very easy to install. Let's get started putting this thing in. We'll start this install by accessing the power accessory port in the back by gently pulling back the interior components. We'll unplug it, we'll put the jumper cable on. From there, we'll use the supplied fish to go through the upper interior portion. We'll hook it to that power cable and pull it on through to the front. Now we'll go ahead and button up that interior, get it looking back to stock. From there, we'll gently put that retractable sunshade up into the vehicle. Use the white gloves that are supplied. We don't want to get it dirty. I would suggest using 2 people to do this, but you know I'm going to do it myself. I put it up in position, plug it in, shimmy it into position. Then you make your way up to the front of the vehicle. Use the supplied mounts, and then you just screw the sunshade directly to the mounts. It opens flawlessly. It closes flawlessly. It looks OEM. If I didn't tell you that I put this in there and you got in a car, you would never know that it didn't come with the car. That's kind of cool. So you get that experience with the glass open whenever you want it, to get that view, and then when you feel that sun hammering in when you're sitting in traffic or your car's just sitting outside and you don't want it baking on the interior, close it up. It's the best of both worlds. I'll leave links to this thing down in the description. I'm all about bringing in stuff that I feel like is going to bring you a high level of user experience. I like this thing. It's staying in the car and I'm digging it. I kind of find myself driving around with it more closed than open now, which was surprising because I thought I really liked that glass. And I do, I still like the glass, but I kind of only like it when I want it, and otherwise I want it closed. I also noticed on a side note that it quiets down the interior even more, so that's kind of nice too. This is a cool product. You should check it out. Yeah, that thing's awesome. We'll see you on the next one. Yeah.